What's up today, guys? Ghost Guy Explorations out here. We are at an abandoned fire brick factory. I don't know what's out here to be seen or anything, but this looks like it's left of an old house. Yeah, pretty damaged in there. So let's roll. So I'll get you guys a research on this spot when I get back. It'll be in the description. From what I understand, this spot was the largest at one point in time maker of fire bricks for this area. I'm not seeing any remnants of those at the moment. I'm gonna keep on walking and see what happens, but I'm not seeing anything right now, guys, so I'll cut the video for a second until we see. Okay, guys, it felt like we walked for a lot longer than I had expected it to be. What we were finally at, buildings, from what I'd imagine is the old remnants of the Firebird factory. So, it really reminds me of Jurassic Park. Almost, these old buildings covered in the brush. Without a soul inside, basically. Also got a big chimney up there, up above. Just gonna walk this way a little bit more. Look at that, the old tool chest area with all the gears. Oh, look at these bad boys. So hey, if you make it to this part of my video, drop an F for me in the comment section. Let me know that you're still out here. This is super weird. I just came out of the woods. And if you had saw, we had been walking on this grassy trail path the whole way. We walked the whole way to those buildings on the grass path. Now, we're out here, we're still in the woods, but we're walking down like a gravel, concrete floor. So I don't know if there was a big building that used to sit here, or what, but this is crazy. Like, or maybe these were where the kilns used to be for the factory, but this just keeps. We got some brick residue down there. It's all started to rain. But yeah, this is crazy. Oh, here we go. Here are the old kilns in the wall here. That's what that was. Those were kilns. At the top of them there. Interesting.